Hi guys, today I'm going to explain grade 9 chapter Kichad Ka Kavya. The poem I have already explained along with translation and the link to which I'm giving in the description box below. Let's start off with the questions and answers. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर एक दो पंक्तियों में दीजिए. निम्नलिखित means the below written questions. You have to answer them in one or two. पंक्तियां means sentences. प्रश्न एक, रंग की शोभा ने क्या कर दिया? What did the splendor or the beauty of the color do? Here शोभा means splendor or beauty, रंग means color. लाल रंग की शोभा ने कमाल कर दिया. The splendor of the red color did wonders. कमाल means wonder and लाल means red. बादल किसकी तरह हो गए थे? The clouds had become like what? बादल means clouds. बादल सफेद रंग की पूनी, that is रुई की बत्ती की तरह हो गए थे. The clouds had become like the white colored wick of the lamp. Here बादल means cloud, सफेद white, and puni means रुई की बत्ती, a wick which is made up of cotton. We know the clouds look like cotton, isn't it, children? I'll just show you one picture. If you can see, this is what it is, white colored wick of the lamp. लोग किन किन चीजों का वर्णन करते हैं? What all things do people describe? चीजें means things, वर्णन करते हैं means they describe. लोग आकाश, पृथ्वी तथा सरोवरों का वर्णन करते हैं. People describe the sky, the earth and the ponds. Akash means sky, Prithvi means land, the earth and Sarovar means ponds. Next question. नदी के किनारे कीचड़ कब सुंदर लगता है? Now the name of the poem is Kichad Ka Kavya, a poem of the Kichad. Now what is Kichad, children? Actually it is mud which is full of which is very sticky and full of water. So I'll just show you one picture. It will make it clear to you. This is what Kichad is. Like, you know, you'll have all the mud. There is water mixed with it. So it's very sticky. And when the Kichad becomes dry, it looks like this. Yeah. नदी के किनारे कीचड़ कब सुंदर दिखता है? नदी के किनारे means near the bank of the river. कीचड़ कब सुंदर, when does it look beautiful? So, नदी के किनारे कीचड़ सूखकर टेढ़े मेढ़े टुकड़ों में दिखाई देता है तथा दूर दूर तक फैला समतल और चिकना कीचड़ सुंदर लगता है. Now, सूखकर means after becoming dry. टेढ़े मेढ़े टुकड़े means crooked pieces, all different shapes, etc. Just like I showed you just now. This one, टेढ़े मेढ़े टुकड़े. That is what it is. Samtal means flat or chikna means sticky. Sticky when you touch it or look at it. So nadi ke kinare कीचड़, when it dries up near the banks of the river, when the कीचड़ it dries up and turns into chunks which have no shape, shapeless chunks, and it is spread over a distance on a plain land, and it becomes sticky. At that time, it looks beautiful. Next question. कीचड़ कहाँ सुंदर लगता है? Where does the कीचड़ look beautiful? नदी के किनारे मीलों तक फैला हुआ समतल और चिकना कीचड़ बहुत सुंदर प्रतीत होता है. Near the banks of the river, कीचड़ which is spread over a distance on the flat land and which is sticky, it looks very beautiful. Next question. पंख और पंकज शब्दों में क्या अंतर है? What is the difference between the words पंख and पंकज? पंख का अर्थ कीचड़ तथा पंकज का अर्थ कीचड़ में उगने वाला फूल कमल. Now पंख means कीचड़, the sticky mud. Or pankaj means The flower which blooms in the Kichad, that is the lotus. Now, we all love to have the lotus, right? It looks so beautiful. And it grows in the Kichad. पंख शब्द मन में जहां घृणा भाव जगाता है, वहीं पंकज सुंदरता का भाव. Now the word pank, it creates a feeling of a despise in our minds, isn't it? When we see Kichad, it creates a feeling of dislike in our minds. वहीं पंकज सुंदरता का भाव. What does the word pankaj create in our mind? A feeling of beauty, something that you really like. Ghrana means hatred or despise or dislike. Bhav means feelings. Sundarta means beauty. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर 25 या 30 शब्दों में लिखिए. 25 to 30 words you have to use to answer these questions. Question 1. कीचड़ के प्रति किसी को सहानुभूति क्यों नहीं होती? Why doesn't anybody feel sympathetic towards कीचड़? सहानुभूति means sympathy. लोग कीचड़ को गंदा मानते हैं. People consider कीचड़ to be dirty, like something that spoils your hands, your dress, like that. वे ना तो इसे छूना पसंद करते हैं, ना इसके छींटों से अपने कपड़े खराब करना पसंद करते हैं. Neither do they like to touch कीचड़, nor do they like to spoil their clothes by the drops of कीचड़ splashing on their dresses. Here, chinte means drops of कीचड़. Kapde means clothes. खराब करना to make them dirty. यदि कीचड़ कपड़ों पर लग जाए तो मैले हो जाते हैं. If it falls on the cloths become spoiled or dirty. इसमें से बदबू आती है. Even there is a bad odor which comes from कीचड़. बदबू means bad smell or odor. Next question. जमीन ठोस होने पर उस पर किन के पद चिन्ह अंकित होते हैं? ठोस means hard. पद चिन्ह means footsteps. अंकित होते हैं means mark. So when the land becomes hard, whose footsteps are marked on it? जमीन जब ठोस हो जाती है तो उस पर गाय, बैल, भैंस, पाड़े, भेड़ बकरियों के पद चिन्ह अंकित हो जाते हैं. When the land becomes hard, the footprints of animals like cow, bull, buffaloes, and goats and sheep, they are marked on it. Here, children, बैल means bullocks, गाय, cow, भैंस means buffalo. भेड़ बकरियां means sheep and goats. Next question. मनुष्य को क्या भान होता जिससे वह कीचड़ का तिरस्कार न करता? Now, what should a person or human beings realize so that he does not despise कीचड़? भान होना means to realize. तिरस्कार means to despise or dislike. मनुष्य को यह भान नहीं है कि उसका पेट भरने वाला सारा अन्न इसी कीचड़ में से उत्पन्न होता है. Does not, भान नहीं है means does not realize. पेट भरने वाला means one which satiates his hunger or fills his stomach. सारा अन्न, entire grain, उत्पन्न होता है means it is grown on that. So man does not realize that the entire grain or everything that fills his hunger or satiates his hunger or fills his stomach is grown on the same कीचड़. यदि उसे इस तथ्य का भान होता तो वह कदापि कीचड़ का तिरस्कार न करता. If he had realized this fact, then he would have never despised or disliked कीचड़. तथ्य here means fact. Kadapi, never. Tiraskar means despise or dislike. पहाड़ लुप्त कर देने वाले कीचड़ की क्या विशेषता है? Now, what is the speciality of the कीचड़ which can even make mountains disappear? Here, children, pahad means mountains, lupt means disappear. विशेषता means speciality. पहाड़ लुप्त कर देने वाले कीचड़ की विशेषता यह है कि वह मीलों दूर तक फैला हुआ और हमेशा रहने वाला है. Now, the speciality of this कीचड़, which is, spread over a distance of miles, its speciality is that it can even make the mountains disappear. And it is something that will always be there. मीलों दूर means over a distance of miles. फैला हुआ means spread. और हमेशा रहने वाला है means it's going to be there forever. Okay. जिधर देखो उधर कीचड़ ही कीचड़ दिखता है. Wherever we see around the river, you can find only कीचड़. यह कीचड़ मही नदी के मुंह के आगे की ओर गहरा और बड़ी मात्रा में है. इसमें पहाड़ के पहाड़ डूब सकते हैं. Now, near the entrance of the Mahi River, the कीचड़ is extremely deep and it's in huge quantities and in such a huge quantity that even the mountains can sink in it. Mahi Nadi, the name of a river, मुंह के आगे की ओर means towards the entrance. गहरा deep और बड़ी मात्रा में है means it's in big quantity. पहाड़ के पहाड़ डूब सकते हैं means they can sink in it. Okay. कीचड़ का रंग किन किन लोगों को खुश करता है? कीचड़ का रंग श्रेष्ठ कलाकारों, चित्रकारों, मूर्तिकारों और छायाकारों को खुश करता है. The color of the कीचड़, which is almost, it has a dusty brown color. So the color of the कीचड़, it makes great artists, painters, sculptors and photographers happy. It makes them happy. Kalakar means artists, Chitrakar means painters, Murtikar means sculptures, those who makes statues. Chayakar, they've given here photographers. छायाकार भी जब फोटो खींचते हैं तो एकाध जगह पर कीचड़ जैसा रंग देना पसंद करते हैं. Even the photographers, when they click photos, they would like to have the color of the कीचड़ at one or the other place. एकाध जगह पर means one or the other place. पसंद करते हैं means they would like to have. इनके अतिरिक्त आम लोग अपने घरों की दीवारों पर, इनके अतिरिक्त means other than this. आम लोग means common people. अपने घरों की दीवारों पर, on the walls of their houses. Other than this, the common person or common people on the walls of their houses, on the covers of the books. पुस्तक means books and गत्ते means covers. और कीमती कपड़ों पर यही रंग देखना चाहते हैं. Here, children, कीमती कपड़े means expensive clothes. So the common people want to see the same color on the covers of their books and on their expensive cloth or apparel also. Next question. कीचड़ सूख कर किस प्रकार के दृश्य उपस्थित करता है? When the कीचड़ becomes dry, what kind of scenarios or what kind of view does it present? दृश्य means view, उपस्थित करता है means does it present. सूखने के बाद जब कीचड़ टुकड़ों में बंट जाता है तब सुंदर दृश्य प्रस्तुत करता है. After drying up, when the कीचड़, it gets separated into big chunks. Then it presents a beautiful view. टुकड़े means pieces, बंट जाता है means gets parted. सुंदर दृश्य means beautiful view or scene. प्रस्तुत करता है means presents. ज्यादा गर्मी के कारण इन टुकड़ों पर बहुत सी दरारें पड़ जाती हैं. Because of extreme heat, on these pieces, cracks appear. दरारे मीन्स क्रैक्स। ये सूख कर जब टेढ़े मेढ़े हो जाते हैं तो ये सुखाए हुए नारियल जैसे लगते हैं। So when these chunks they dry up and they become crooked, then they look like dried coconuts. सूख कर means when they dry up. टेढ़े मेढ़े हो जाते हैं means they become crooked. सुखाए हुए नारियल means dried coconut. गीले कीचड़ पर पक्षियों के पद के निशान दूर दूर तक बने चिन्ह मध्य एशिया के मार्ग जैसे लगते हैं. Now on the little bit of, when the कीचड़ is not completely dry, rather still little bit of water is there, then birds, they walk on it. They keep wandering on it. At that time, the marks made by their foot or their footprints, which is, spread over a long distance, they look like marks of the Madhya Asia or Middle Asia roads. Gila कीचड़ means wet कीचड़ when it is not completely dry. Pad ke nishan means footprints. Chinna means marks. Madhya Asia means Middle Asia. Marg means roads. इसके अलावा दो मदमस्त पहाड़ों के लड़ने से भारतीय महिषकुल युद्ध का जैसा दिखाई देता है. When two padas or these animals they fight with each other, then their footprints are also there on the कीचड़. So it looks as if a Mahishkul war has taken place on that area. सूखे हुए कीचड़ का सौंदर्य किन स्थानों पर दिखाई देता है? The beauty of the dried कीचड़ can be seen in which all places? सूखे हुए कीचड़ का सौंदर्य नदी के किनारे पर दिखाई देता है. We can find the beauty of the dried कीचड़ near the banks of the river. कीचड़ का पृष्ठ भाग सूखने पर उस पर बगुले और अन्य छोटे बड़े पक्षी विहार करने लगते हैं तो बहुत सुंदर प्रतीत होता है. Now here पृष्ठ भाग means the top side. सूखने पर means when it dries. Bagula, it's a bird, wading bird with long thin legs. You might have seen flamingos like birds. And other छोटे बड़े पक्षी, small and big birds, विहार करने लगते हैं means they keep wandering on it or walking around it. Then it looks very beautiful. So here what the author wants to say is that the upper side of the कीचड़, when it almost dries, at that time birds, small and big birds and birds like flamingos, they walk on it and it looks very beautiful. कुछ अधिक सूखने पर उस पर गाय, बैल, भैंसे, पाड़े, भेड़े, बकरियों के पद चिन्हों के निशान सुंदर लगते हैं. When it dries even more, then the footprints of these animals make it look all the more beautiful. कवियों की धारणा को लेखक ने युक्ति शून्य क्यों कहा है? Now, why has the author called the beliefs of the poets as unreasonable? Here, dharana means their beliefs. Yukti shunya means is unreasonable. कवि बाहरी सुंदरता को महत्व देते हैं जबकि वे आंतरिक सुंदरता और इसकी उपयोगिता की उपेक्षा करते हैं. Now the poets, they give importance to outside beauty and they neglect the internal beauty and its uses. Here, bahari sundarta means external appearance. Mahatva means importance. Antarik sundarta means internal beauty. Upyogita means uses. Upeksha karte hain means they neglect. ये लोग कमल, वासुदेव, हीरा और मोती के सौंदर्य पर खुश होते हैं. Here, Kamal means lotus, Vasudev means Krishna, Hira means diamond, or Moti means pearl. So these poets, they become happy by looking at the beauty of these things and they describe that. They concentrate on that. Parantu, इनके जन्मदाता क्रमशः कीचड़, वसुदेव, कोयला और सीप की उपेक्षा करते हैं. उनकी ऐसी धारणा युक्तिशून्य ही तो है. Now, the author says that even though they give importance or become happy about the beauty of these things, their Janmadata means the person who gives birth to these, like Kamal is lotus. Where does it bloom? That plant grows in Kichad. So the Janmadata of Kamal is Kichad. Vasudev Krishna, his father is Vasudev. Hira, diamond, you can find it in coal mines. Koila is coal. And where do you get pearls from? From oysters, seep. But these poets ignore these Janmadata or people who have given birth to these. So such beliefs is definitely unreasonable. That is what the author has to say. So with that, we are finishing the questions and answers of Kichad Ka Kavya. Please let me know, children, if you have any other doubts, and do like, share and subscribe the channel because it really matters a lot. Best wishes for your exam. Take care and stay safe.